Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix lagging in FC25 on your computer. So first you need to go to start menu, go to setting, left side menu, go to gaming and go to game mode. Make sure to turn the off game mode like this, then after close this on. Again go to start menu, go to setting, go to display option, scroll down and go to graphics. Choose your game from here, then after go to options and make sure to use your graphic card as an high performance, then after tap on save. So then after you have to change the settings in your game. First you need to launch your game and go to settings and graphics. Set graphic mode to favor resolution for smoother gameplay and lower demanding settings like render quality, cloth quality and grass quality to low or medium, and turn the VSync off in the NVIDIA control panel to reduce input lag, and use 90 fps cap instead of 120 fps for more stable performance, and disable unnecessary visual overlays like hypermotion, inside overlays, play performance widgets. And then after you need to you can use Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, because Wi-Fi using Ethernet is faster than Wi-Fi. So then after right click on the start menu, go to device manager, go to display adapters, double tap on it, right click on your graphic card, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers, then it will be download latest update related to your graphic card. Close this one, and then after you can repair or reinstall the game files. In the EA app or Steam, use the repair option to fix the corrupted game files. If problem persists, consider clean reinstall of FP25. Then after go to your taskbar, right click on it, go to task manager. In the process section, right click on the processes that are unnecessary and high CPU usage. Here right click on it, tap on end tasks. So then after close the task manager. If you are using NVIDIA graphic card, use the NVIDIA control panel and open it. Go to manage 3D setting, set power management mode to prefer maximum performance, turn the VSync off and disable G-Sync as it can add input delay despite smoothing frames. And you can test performance in Ultimate Team mode. Micro shutters and lag mostly appear in the online Ultimate Team matches, not offline modes. Always test performance in FUT champs or division rivals for accurate results. And finally you can use FPS cap and frame rate limiter. Use NVIDIA control panel or in-game setting to cap FPS at 90 for stable frame pacing. And avoid using third-party frame limiters like Reva Tuner. NVIDIA control panel is preferred. So these are the methods you can try to fix the lag in FC25 in your computer. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.